Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to transform into homogeneous. So I will put about x equals to 8 plus z. So a that is about the constant, z that is about variable in here, and y we need to transform into b plus t. So b that is about the constant, t that is about variable in here. The next one that is about dy over dx. In this one I will put about dr divided by dx over dr. So we need to do first the derivative of y in terms of r in here. So this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1, so we have dt over dr divided by dz over dr. So if we simplify dr, we got dt over dz. The next one, we put x and y go in here and here. And y that is about this one. So this one we have 2a plus 2z. This one we have 2b plus 2t. So we want to transform into homogeneous. We need to put about the constant equals to number 0. That means we have 2a plus b plus 3 equals to number 0, and a plus 2b plus 3 equals to number 0. And now we have the system of equations. So we need to find the solutions of 8 and b. So 8 equals to negative number 1, b equals to negative number 1. So we put a and b go back in here. And after you got this one, we go back in here. So the constant they got equal to number 0. So we have like this. Similar for this one. dy over dx we change for this one. And now we divide both sides by this one. Now this one becomes homogeneous. So this is about the root number 1. So I will put about t equal to vz. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of v, that is about number 1 dv over dz multiplied by z. This one that is about number 1 dz over dz multiplied by v. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about this one. Z we change, T we change for Vz. And now we divide by Z on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put V go to the right. So we can do about common denominator. So this one, that is about 2v plus v squared. So 2v minus 2v we cancel. This one we have negative v squared. And now I will put this one go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to focus on this one. This one that is about identities. So we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital 8 over 1 minus v and capital B over 1 plus v. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about 1 plus v. So capital 8 multiplied by 1 plus v. About this one, it is missing about 1 minus v. So capital B multiplied by 1 minus v. And now we need to expand. So V and V we can do about factorization. So we see that we need to compare coefficient. About this one, we have number 1. So A minus B equals to number 1. This one equals to number 2. And now we create the system of equations. So we need to find the solutions of 8 and B. So 8 equals to 3 over 2 and B equals to 1 over 2. So we put A and B go back in here. So A that is about 3 over 2, B that is about 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. So we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one that is about Ln of the absolute value of Z. about v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by z. And now we need to change v into this one. So about t and z, that is about this one. So we put negative number 1 cone here. So I will put negative number 1 go to the left. Similar for the second one. And now we need to change t into this one. Z, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.